Experiencing a black screen when you shift your Tesla Model S into reverse? You're not alone. This video addresses the common problem of the backup camera not working. Normally, the backup camera shows a clear view behind the vehicle on the touchscreen. But when the issue occurs, the screen remains black, making reversing difficult and unsafe. The Tesla Model S backup camera system includes a rear-facing camera, wiring harnesses, and integration with the vehicle's central computer and touchscreen. Tesla's advanced camera technology, like the cabin camera, uses similar components, but the backup camera focuses on the rear view. We'll cover the likely causes, from simple software glitches to potential hardware failures, so you can diagnose and potentially fix the issue yourself. Software glitches are the most common cause, often resolved by updates or resets. Wiring or connection issues can occur due to corrosion or loose connections. The camera module itself may fail due to damage or age. Calibration problems can arise after service or accidents. Before diving into more complex troubleshooting, try these quick fixes. First, perform a soft reset by holding down both steering wheel buttons until the Tesla logo appears. Next, check the touchscreen's calibration in the service menu by tapping the Tesla T logo 5 times. Also, try disconnecting the 12-volt battery for 10 minutes to reset the ECU. These simple steps resolve many software-related black screen issues. Distinguishing between software and hardware issues is crucial. Software glitches often manifest as intermittent black screens or occur after an update. Hardware problems, like a damaged camera lens, corroded wiring, or a faulty camera module, tend to be more persistent. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes, such as P1B01, which indicates camera faults. This will help narrow down the cause. If you suspect a hardware issue with your Tesla Model S backup camera, start by performing a visual inspection of the wiring harness that connects the camera. Next, examine the camera module itself for physical damage, such as a cracked or fogged lens. If you find corrosion, replacing the harness can often resolve the issue, as demonstrated in the Tesla Tom YouTube tutorial for the Model 3, which is also applicable to the Model S. Always remember to disconnect the power before working on any electrical components to avoid injury or further damage. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air software updates that specifically address backup camera issues. These updates improve camera diagnostics, error handling, and overall reliability without requiring a visit to the service center. To ensure your Model S has the latest software, open the Tesla mobile app and check for available updates. The app will notify you if a new version is ready to install. According to Tesla's CTO Drew Baglino, software updates now resolve approximately 80% of camera problems without needing a service visit. Be patient during the installation process, as it may take several minutes to complete fully. If the quick fixes and DIY inspections don't resolve the issue, it's time to contact Tesla service. Persistent black screens, especially after accidents or repairs, often require professional calibration. A Tesla service case from 2024 highlighted that camera replacement after a rear-end collision necessitated a $500 calibration. Use the Tesla app to schedule a service appointment. Professional technicians can diagnose and fix complex camera issues using specialized equipment. Preventative maintenance can significantly reduce backup camera failures in your Tesla Model S. Regularly clean the camera lens to remove debris, especially in urban environments where dirt and grime accumulate quickly. Hertz's Tesla fleet reported an 80% reduction in camera incidents by implementing a monthly cleaning protocol. Consider applying a protective film to the lens to prevent scratches and damage from road debris. The future of EV camera systems is focused on software-driven solutions and enhanced reliability. Tesla is integrating AI diagnostics to predict and preempt failures, allowing the system to identify potential issues before they cause problems. The industry is moving towards end-to-end encrypted camera feeds, ensuring that camera data is secure from unauthorized access. This encryption protects the footage during transmission and storage. Modular hardware designs allow for easier swaps and replacements, reducing downtime when components need to be updated or repaired. This makes maintenance more efficient. Advancements in LiDAR and ultrasonic sensor integration will significantly improve backup camera reliability. These sensors provide additional data for better detection and operation in various conditions. Overall, expect backup camera reliability in EVs to improve significantly in the coming years, with these innovations making camera systems more robust and dependable.